Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I am back with a new recipe. I'm going to be showing you how I prepared pasta chaat. I've laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. So first what I've done is I've peeled a potato, cut it into finger length strips and I've reserved it in a pot of water. We'll require pasta. Wash your potato twice and then place it in water. We'll require some save, finely chopped onion, tomato, finely chopped coriander, chilies, half a lime, sweet corn, ginger garlic paste, corn flour and all-purpose flour. I've already shown you mint chutney and chili garlic chutney. We'll require chili powder, chaat masala powder and kitchen king masala. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. Here I have placed a pot of water. It started to boil. I'm just going to parboil the potatoes first. I've added the potato. I've not added salt to this. We'll just cook it for 5 to 10 minutes on very low flame. Once the potato has cooked, I've just drained it from water and reserved it. I'm not going to waste that water. In the same water I need to cook the sweet corn. So I placed it on very low flame. I've just started to drain the potato and I'll reserve it. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All my social media handle links and my Tamil channel link, all the recipes are translated and posted in Tamil language. Tamil channel link will also be in the description box below this video. So here in the same water, I've started to boil the sweet corn. We'll just cook this for 2 minutes, not more than that. Once the sweet corn has boiled, I'll drain it from the water and reserve it. I'm not going to use the same water to cook the pasta. I'll add fresh water and cook the pasta. Now in the same pan I've added extra water and I'll be adding salt. Don't add oil, just add salt, and once your water starts to boil, that's when you add the pasta. On high flame, we'll cook the pasta for 8 minutes till it's tender. Now my pasta is tender. It's not very soft. I've drained it from the water. So in a mixing bowl, I'm going to be adding 2 portions of pasta. Now I'll also be adding the cooked potato to the pasta. We'll add the all-purpose flour, chili powder, chaat masala powder, kitchen king masala and corn flour. We'll also add salt as per taste and we need to fry this. So I've added ginger and garlic paste first. It enhances the flavor and taste in the pasta. You can also use only garlic paste or you can use only ginger paste. It's up to you. I've added chili powder, chaat masala, kitchen king masala, all-purpose flour, that is maida, and corn flour. I'll add salt as per taste. Don't add water. Just combine this. The moisture from pasta and the potato is more than enough. All the ingredients will coat evenly. Just toss it once or twice. Now this is ready. Place a wok on medium flame with oil for frying. Once your oil reaches temperature, gently drop the pasta and the potato in hot oil. You can prepare 4 to 5 batches of it in small batches. So we'll fry it on low to medium flame for 2 minutes on each side or until the pasta turns light golden brown in color. Now I just flipped it to the other side and I am frying it to the other side as well. So it has turned light golden brown in color. So it approximately took me around 6 minutes. I drained it from the oil. Reserve this pasta and potato on a plate. You can serve this as it is. It's very tasty as it is. Or you can prepare the chaat. It's up to you. Now I've drained it from the oil and reserved it on a plate. I'll start frying the second batch in the same way. This is a very new recipe for me. This is the first time I'm trying pasta chaat, and especially during this lockdown, we don't have any street food. So I thought I'd prepare something unique and something different. So that's the reason I prepared this. It was very nice. Now the second batch I'm frying in the same way. So now I'm going to toss the chaat. I've added the fried potato and pasta to the pan. Here I've added mint chutney, the chili garlic chutney. I'll be adding the corn that I cooked, finely chopped onion, tomato, chili, lime, coriander, and a tiny amount of chaat masala is what you need to add. Just toss all of this together. Now, once this is tossed, you can start serving it. I did add some save on this. If you want, you can add it or leave it out. Just for that aesthetic purpose, I've added some save. But otherwise, the pasta itself was very nice and crispy. You don't need any save for this. I've added some chaat masala here. I'm just going to toss it once. Okay, here I've started to plate it. I've added some finely chopped onion, tomato, coriander, some save. And I serve my pasta chaat. Turned out really good. Try this recipe, friends. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.